Hi there! Can you see me? I can't see you. Where are you? Well, hello! Have you seen the mask? What about rhinestones? Oops, where are the rhinestones? It should have rhinestones on it. Where am I without rhinestones? Let's fix it! Let's write a few words with rhinestones on this mask. I will write the words in a graphic editor. Here, take a look. In fact, you can design text in Microsoft Word and even in an online service like Canva. But the most important thing when you are working on it is to create a mirror image of the picture before printing. Flipped, printed out. It seems to be a complete nonsense, but that's exactly what we need. Has anyone seen scissors? Now let's take that thermofilm. Who has cut it so crookedly for me? I refuse to work like this. For you not to get into the adhesive thermofilm with your own hand, the unused part can be covered with an adhesive backing. Wow! I don't get it. Pure miracle. Not only rhinestones stick to the film, but also garbage. And fingers, give the finger back. Come on, give the finger back. When everything is ready, you can remove the film from the backing. One thing is left, to transfer crystals. Do you know how it's done? With the help of an iron, of course. Laid out, put, heated and pressed. And we are sitting and waiting. Wow, now that's perfect. I don't see you, but you definitely see the rhinestones. So, how did you like the workshop today? Well, even if you didn't like it that much, please like it. It's nothing for you, but everything for me. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. Laid out, put, heated, and pressed, and pressed, and pressed, and pressed. Laid out, put, heated.